Forget all the politicians for once. I have two very special guests with me who represent my good news today story. Vikas Upadhyay and Raksha Gopal. And guess what? She got 99.06. 99.6 in her CBSE exam. She's the All India topper. And Vikas got 97, which is the highest by any government school student in the national capital. First of all, congratulations. Thank you. Well done. Guess how much I got when I was in school? I got 85 and I thought I had done terrifically. So the world has changed, right?
That is terrific, firstly. But yeah, it has definitely changed. Obviously, marks have gone to the higher end now. So people are expecting these 99s and above, and anything below is considered really bad now.
You know, one thing that I want to ask you, you got 100 in economics, you got 100 in political science, and you got 100 in English. How do you get 100 in English?
I said I do not know how how you get 100 in English, but I guess, I mean, nothing is impossible. Really, I really feel that, and I put in a lot of hard work. So really.
How many hours a day did you study?
Okay, like I've said this so many times, the quantity of time you spend on studying does not matter. It has to be the quality.
You can say this after you get 99.
No, really, I swear, I am not a person who studies for like 8 hours continuously. Sometimes I would just study for like 2 hours and just call it a day. That's it. It just depends on how you do it, what you do. You need to focus. It's called smart studying.
It's called smart studying. And you're from Amity, which is a private school. Yes. And you are from which school?
RPVV Yamuna Vihar.
Which is actually a government school. और अच्छी बात है कि government schools are doing better than private schools. ये बताइए, रक्षा कह रही है 2 घंटे स्टडी करती थी स्मार्ट स्टडी, आपने कितने घंटे स्टडी की? सच बताइए।
सर कोई मतलब घड़ी देखकर कोई पढ़ाई नहीं करते थे, जब मन करा जितनी देर मन करा उतनी देर पढ़ा।
अरे ये क्या बात हुई यार, मैं तो रात भर करता था और फिर भी मुझे 85 आए।
सर रात को तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करता सर, सुबह 4 बजे उठकर या 5 बजे उठकर तो पढ़ सकता हूँ, पर रात को तो बिल्कुल नहीं
कर सकते।
नो सर।
तो हाईएस्ट कितने घंटे किए होंगे एक दिन में?
सर एक दिन में 7-8 घंटे से ज्यादा नहीं।
उससे ज्यादा नहीं। No, I'm just wondering whether there is this pressure because you see people around you studying very hard. You think, you know, if she's studying 6 hours, I must study 7. ऐसा pressure था?
See, definitely. I mean, when you see your classmates and they're like studying so much every day, there's like this. There's that kind of a peer pressure that is created, and it's inevitable. There's nothing you can do about it. But then the key to 12th is just like to ignore that and focus on yourself. Really,
but there is pressure. No, if someone else next to me is aiming for 97, 98, there's that pressure that everyone has to score over 95 or not. The teachers put the pressure, principal puts the pressure, students put the pressure.
See, in my case, my school didn't put a pressure for getting like a particular grade, a particular percentage. It was just that do well, you need to, and they really expected out of me because I've been a good student. So they were like, you really need to do well, and it was kind of like a self-realization kind of thing that I really want to do well and make everyone proud.
Government school में थोड़ा pressure कम होता है, examinations कम होते हैं, उससे थोड़ा relaxed होते हो?
नो सर, प्रेशर तो उतना ही रहता है क्योंकि एग्जाम तो सबको देना होता है, तो उतना ही प्रेशर रहता है सब पर।
पेरेंट्स का प्रेशर होता है कि देखो विकास इस बार 95 नहीं लाए तो घर नहीं आना?
नो सर, पेरेंट्स का तो बिल्कुल ही प्रेशर नहीं है, बस पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट करते हैं, यूं कहते हैं बस तुम अपना मन लगा के पढ़ाई करो।
तो जब उनको पता चला कि तुम्हें 97 मिले, क्या कहा उन्होंने?
सर वो बहुत खुश हुए।
क्या दिया कुछ की नहीं? कोई प्राइज, कोई पेड़े, कुछ बांटे की नहीं?
यस सर, रसगुल्ले।
रसगुल्ले, अरे very good, Bengali style. What did your parents give you when they heard you had got 99.6? I'm still thinking of that number.
I just got a hug. That's it.
That's it? No rasgulla?
No, not yet. I mean, I really haven't had the time to, because the results came out yesterday and I'm here I'm just like going for interviews right now. So definitely I'm going to ask for something. Really.
No. Oh, you're going to ask them. No, you're going from one interview to the other. So you like the stardom or not?
Definitely. Yeah? Really like it, yeah. I mean, most people would not like it, but I do. It's really fun. It's a new experience.
लोग जब आते हैं इंटरव्यू लेने कैसे लगता है?
सर अच्छा लगता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
टीवी के एंकर कभी मत बनना। आप क्या बनना चाहते हो?
सर डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ।
Better than TV anchor. What do you want to be?
I don't know what I want to be. I just know I need a career in political science.
You need a career in political science. What will a career in political science make you? You can't be a politician.
I don't want to be a politician. It's all right. That's all right. It's something
you can be a TV anchor.
Yeah, maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
You might do a better job than me.
Maybe. Let's see if I can reach that. But
let's get some questions. If there are any questions that are coming in from viewers, I've asked them to give us questions. But I just want to understand that is therefore what you all are saying is ऐसा कोई एक फॉर्मूला नहीं है, कोई मैजिक फॉर्मूला नहीं है कि ये करना पड़ेगा तो ही आप 95 या 97 या 99 ला सकते हैं, कोई फॉर्मूला तो नहीं है?
नो सर, ऐसा कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है, केवल बस हम मेहनत करके पढ़ सकते हैं।
ये मेहनत वर्ड बड़ा मुश्किल का वर्ड है because as you said for some people मेहनत could be 8 hours, for someone else it could be 4 hours. It's about smart studying. Do you believe though that there are too many exams that we have and that puts so much of pressure because I think you guys have every 3 months some kind of test or something in particularly in 12th standard. Does that put a lot of pressure?
It was not every 3 months, it was like every month I had tests.
Every month for the last year?
Yeah,
Do you
it
think
was
there are
like
too many tests and
unit
exams?
test class. Yeah, kind of. I mean, in a way they did help me, but they do create kind of, they do create a pressure because you don't get time for yourself. You just have to keep studying. So 12th was like, it just went by. I really don't know. It just went by in giving tests.
Yeah, Pranav Jadhav,
Yes.
he's asking if they can talk about their routine few weeks before the exams.
Routine few weeks before the exam, Pranav Jadhav wants to know. Exam के पहले 7 दिन पहले क्या रहते? सो रहे थे ज्यादा या सिर्फ पढ़ रहे थे?
नहीं
7 दिन पहले.
सर, रूटीन तो वही रहता है
क्या था routine?
जो शुरू से रखते हैं, क्योंकि जब शुरू से पढ़ाई कर रहे होते हैं तो बस एग्जाम से पहले तो केवल रिवीजन रह जाता है। तो
रूटीन में कितने घंटे था?
सर, रूटीन में
लास्ट हफ्ते में
7-8 घंटे, उससे ज्यादा।
7-8 घंटे दिन में. How did you relax? ये भी routine होता है. How do you relax? मैं तो सोता था when I was young.
Yeah, so sleeping was there, but yeah, but I'm like a musician, so music was like the biggest stress buster for me. So
What kind of music?
Oh, I'm a pianist, so.
You're a pianist?
Yeah.
अरे बाप रे यार, not bad. Pianist getting 99.6, it's getting better. Yeah.
Yeah. So it was like between my study breaks, I would be like playing the piano or maybe like sometimes watching TV, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
So someone else is asking to you actually, is this girl optimistic about Indian politics? What does she think about Indian politics and the system?
No, next thing I thought, what does she think of Narendra Modi? So, that's what they usually ask. So, what do you think of Indian politics and the system?
Well, well, see, since I'm looking for a career in like political science, really, I mean, there are some things there are certain things that I would like to change, but on the whole, it's working well. There's certainly some things I would like to change. Otherwise, I would like to refrain from any political opinions.
You have a favorite politician?
Not really.
She's been diplomatic. Huh? What about you? कोई favorite politician?
नो सर।
No, sir. अरे वेरी गुड. आज अरविंद केजरीवाल अपना डंका बजा रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट स्कूल अच्छे किए हैं क्योंकि मनीष सिसोदिया ने अच्छा किया है. बाकी कहते हैं मोदी जी ने चमत्कार किया है. मोदी और केजरीवाल?
सर, मोदी।
वेरी गुड. मोदी और केजरीवाल?
Modi.
Sorry, Mr. Kejriwal.
Sukhjit Walia is asking to both of them.
Yes.
What was their study? How much of the time that you were spending every day for study? And any tips for?
Okay, what's your tip? Let's give one as we are reaching. What's your tip to a young kid who's now entered the 12th and wants to get 99.6?
Okay, firstly, don't leave anything for the end. Please start working from the starting. That's what counts, really. It worked for me, it'll work for everyone.
So you think it's more of a marathon than a 100-meter sprint? You think it's something that you've got to build gradually towards? You can't just rely on the last few weeks.
Definitely. Because it creates a lot of pressure and you can't add on more pressure. There's already too much pressure around you. Just, stay away from it. Study from the start, really.
Study from the start. Make it a marathon. कोई tip?
सर, कोई प्रेशर नहीं लेना चाहिए अपने ऊपर। जो अपना जब मन करता है जब पढ़ना चाहिए, किसी के कहने से नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए।
यार आपने पढ़ाई की जिस तरह से वीरेंद्र सहवाग क्रिकेट खेलता है, कोई प्रेशर नहीं, बस जैसे करना है वैसे करना है. डोंट टेक एनी प्रेशर. सो डोंट टेक एनी प्रेशर. ट्रीट इट नॉट एज अ स्प्रिंट बट एज अ मैराथन. यस, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन.
There's one other question, and this is like, which language do they really like, English or Hindi?
What is your favorite language? Now, someone who's got 100 in English, obviously English is pretty good. But what's your favorite language? Do you study any other language besides
Yeah,
English and Hindi?
I even my mother tongue is different. So I'm like,
What's your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Tamil, and I'm learning French. I just finished learning French, so I speak French.
You speak fluent Tamil, reasonably fluent French,
Yeah, and
reasonably good Hindi,
yeah, and then there's English.
and then there's English. I'm still recovering from that 100 in English. कोई language आपकी favorite language?
हिंदी।
हिंदी. ये आपको लगता है हिंदी भाषिक लोग अंग्रेजी भाषिक बच्चों से अच्छे होते हैं कि नहीं?
सर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि हिंदी भाषिक लोग में ज्यादा ये दम है कि नहीं? हो सकता है.
सर, सब बढ़िया ही है अपने।
अरे बोल दो यार, दम है आप में, क्यों नहीं? उसमें क्या है? Listen, both of you have done something incredible, which is why we've got you here. We've already got thousands of views on Facebook. Are you all deeply into Facebook? Are you into social
Yeah,
media?
definitely. Yeah, I am. I am into social media.
Because, I find a lot of you young people all the time you're doing Snapchat and mobiles and everything. Where do you get the time to study? Yeah?
See, okay, I'm not addicted again.
You're not addicted?
I'm not addicted, really not. So I'm not like on Facebook 24/7. That's again a key tip for everyone.
Don't be on Facebook 24/7 if you want to get 99.
Yeah, so I'm not addicted, but I'm there on social media, definitely.
You're there on social media. You like Twitter, you like Facebook.
No, I'm on Facebook actually. I'm on Facebook and WhatsApp. That's it.
You're on Facebook and WhatsApp. WhatsApp भी करते रहते हो कि नहीं?
नो सर
यानी एक टिप है कि WhatsApp मत कीजिए, right? एग्जाम के पहले switch off WhatsApp so that you don't have to get into all those conversations. Forget Twitter, maybe do a little bit of Facebook. Don't get addicted to anything. Okay, guys, what do you want to become? I always ask this question. You're going to become a doctor, right?
यस सर आई वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर
बहुत मुश्किल है यार, बहुत एग्जाम करने पड़ेंगे और
सर कोई बात नहीं
कोई बात नहीं
Yes,
करोगे, क्यों करना है डॉक्टरी?
सर अच्छा लगता है इंटरेस्ट
इंटरेस्ट है बायोलॉजी में, अच्छा है.
बायो में इंटरेस्ट
You are good in bio. What is your, of course, you want to be you said you want to do political science, but have you thought beyond that, IAS or whatever else?
I really don't want to think about it right now. Really, I just want, there are so many opportunities. I just want to explore right now. So no, really.
You're just excited with the idea that you can now leave school and go to college, right?
Yeah, really.
You don't
Yeah.
have to wear a uniform anymore.
Yeah, please, I'm really thankful for that.
Great. Raksha, well done, both of you. You've done a fantastic job in these exams, and you've had rasgullas, and make sure that your parents, at the very least, give you some rasgullas. Okay. Fantastic. Wonderful to have these two toppers here on this Facebook Live. So much better than talking to politicians, I promise you. Bye for now.